What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to toggle automatic captions on YouTube on or off. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your browser of choice and head over to youtube.com. In the upper right corner of your screen, select your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. Navigate to your account settings. In the settings window, click on Playback and Performance located in the left pane to open the desired settings related to your video viewing experience on the platform. Now, to toggle off automatic captions, simply uncheck the Always Show Captions option. Or, if you want to toggle the automatic captions on, simply check the Always Show Captions option. You can also enable captions using the C key while watching any YouTube video. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.